Hi students, did you ever think that something as tiny as a speck could teach us about intelligence, life and even human flaws? Robert Frost's poem, A Considerable Speck, takes an ordinary moment and turns it into a profound reflection on awareness and empathy. Let's break it down step by step with key lines and themes to make it crystal clear for you. Hi, this is Ajanta ma'am, Concept Clarity, and in The Considerable Speck, Frost's words remind us to pause, observe and appreciate the small things around us. Robert Frost narrates a simple yet profound moment where he notices a speck on his paper. Why this poem matters? This poem is not just about this little speck. It's a sharp critique of thoughtlessness and a call to value even the smallest signs of intelligence. The poem is engaging, it is relatable, and it is packed with lessons. The tiny speck becomes noticeable, a speck that would have been beneath my sight on any but a paper sheet so wide. Frost begins by describing a small speck on a piece of white paper. Normally, such a small thing would go unnoticed, but its contrast against the blank page makes it stand out. What are the key words? Speck. What does speck symbolize? The speck symbolizes something very small and insignificant. The white paper represents clarity, focus, allowing Frost to notice the speck. How often do we ignore the small things around us? Frost's observation teaches us to pay attention and find meaning in even the tiniest of details. Then he writes, it was no dust speck by my breathing blown, but unmistakably a living mind. Here, Frost realizes that the speck isn't just a piece of dust. It's alive and its tiny might moving across his page. This marks the shift in the poem from a single observation to something much deeper. The key words, living might. What does it symbolize? Living might symbolizes life, intelligence, and purpose. Unmistakably shows Frost's certainty and attention to detail. This moment reminds us that life exists even in the smallest of forms, and by observing closely, we can see purpose and intelligence where we least expect it. The might's cautious movement. The poet writes, plainly with an intelligence I dealt, it paused as with suspicion of my pen. What does he mean? Frost interprets the might's behavior as an intelligent being. The tiny creature seems aware of the pen hovering over it, stopping cautiously as if assessing the situation. Keywords, intelligence. The word intelligence highlights the might's purposeful actions. Suspicion. The word suspicion adds a layer of humor and relatability as the mite seems to think. This tiny mite's cautious behavior mirrors how we as humans often react to potential threats. And Frost beautifully connects this creature's intelligence to our own instincts. In the next part, we see Frost's empathy and reflection when he writes, "I have a mind myself and recognize mind when I meet with it in any guise." Very powerful line. Here, Frost acknowledges his own intelligence, which allows him to recognize intelligence in the mind. This line shows that he respects and empathizes for even the smallest forms of life, or has empathy for even the smallest forms of life. What are the key words? Recognize mind. What does it mean? Recognize mind means the ability to identify intelligence. Any guise, the phrase any guise, suggests that intelligence isn't limited to humans. It can exist in any form. This line teaches us humility and intelligence and purpose aren't exclusive only to humans. They exist across all forms of life. In the last part, he writes as a critique of human carelessness. The poet writes, "No one can know how glad I am to find on any sheet the least display of mind." Here, Frost contrasts the mind's cautious, intelligent behavior with the thoughtlessness he observes in some humans, and he values even the smallest sign of intelligence, highlighting how rare and precious it is. What are the key words? Least display of mind, meaning the importance of thoughtfulness even in small amounts. The key word glad. Here, the word glad symbolizes the poet's appreciation for intelligence and mindfulness. This line is a reminder for us to value thoughtfulness and avoid reckless or careless behavior. It is a critique of those who fail to use their intelligence responsibly. The speck, therefore, teaches us to slow down, observe, and appreciate the little details in life, and sometimes that smallest things carry biggest lessons. And Frost's empathy for the mite reminds us to respect every form of life, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. The poem also highlights the importance of intelligence and thoughtfulness, whether in any tiny mite or in humans. And Frost contrasts the mite's careful actions with human thoughtfulness, urging us to be more mindful and responsible in our lives. Therefore, in the poem A Considerable Speck, Robert Frost turns an ordinary moment into a profound reflection of life, intelligence, and empathy. And the speck may be small, but its lessons are big. If this breakdown helped you to see Frost's poem in a new light, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy to understand analysis of poetry and literature with me, Ajanta ma'am, and tell me what's the smallest thing you've ever noticed that made a big impact on you. Therefore, subscribe, hit the like button, and Concept Clarity. Subscribe to Concept Clarity for more such details. Thank you. Happy learning.